One way of also to answer your question about that, sometimes this change will happen eventually, right? This change also we're looking at it in the realm of what the tangible is. If we can see a tangible, we think it's a marker of change. But the role we want to adopt, which gains preeminence versus the conceptual role, is the role of an interventionist. I want to intervene and change it. So one sort of solace we can draw from the roles we play is if we move out of this interventionist mode, because we are, mind you, all of you are doing amazing intervention already. You are physically there for 7 hours teaching them integers, which is a skill. They wouldn't have known it about quadratic equation or whatever it is until they met you and had an encounter with you. So that's great. So I think if we can sort of define ourselves as what kind of an intervention can I draw and how much can I trouble myself conceptually. I think if you trouble yourself conceptually, that is, you sort of push your mind a little bit always, that's a good way of living.